Progress Gold
for children 1, 2, and 3 years old.
Will soon be S26 Pro Milk Gold 3.
Breast milk is the best for babies up to 2 years of age and beyond. Ponakid Preschool 3 Plus. Pag 3 pataas, kahit sa mga new Ponakid Preschool 3 Plus na, ito ang advantage ng DHA dahil sa Ponakid Preschool 3 Plus para sa batang may laban.
Panainam si pamilya ang masado ang meeting. Basta yan, pharmacy root.
A, B, C, D.
How kids see things differently is a gift. When you help shape the gift, things become extraordinary. Just like ProMil Preschool, now enriched with the combined power of DHA and AA. Nutrition made even better to help nurture the gift. Together, there's no limit to what your child can do. Nutrition made even better. ProMil Preschool.
Believe in what your child can achieve. Bring out the best in him with ProMil Preschool, the only one with Nutricentials, sourced from nature and strengthened by science to help unleash your child's potential. High-quality nutrition mastered by ProMil Preschool. Nurture the gift.
Napalokonayo. Dapat yung ang ingat soy sauce. Ang peses soy sauce. Ang niya. Ito. Dito sa soy sauce. Ito ang safe.
ProMil helps nourish children during the crucial stage of development. ProMil from 6 months onwards. ProMil is pro-gifted.
Breast milk is best for babies up to 2 years.
Mga bata niya, dapat kumain alam. Dapat niya, basic protein. Dapat sinang kaayon, tuwing nanumanggo. Beef at between sa idlog. Yan na natin ng promise ng watermilk. Sipin ba? Ito. Ang gata say na. For children 1 years old, flawless goat milk. After flawless goat milk, flawless teaspoon goat milk.
Breast milk is the best for babies up to 2 years of age and beyond.
Pagdating sa kalusugan ng pamilya, kailangan safe. Ang toy dapat yung suriin, dapat pasado sa Food Safety Standards Evaluation kasama ang level ng 3-MCPD. Ang DM Soy Sauce, pasado yan. Safe gamitin, safe sa inyong pamilya. DM Soy Sauce, ito ay safe.
Sa panahon ngayon, dapat maging mapanuri. Ang safe na toyo ay pasado sa Food Safety Standards. Evacuation kasama ang level ng 3-MCPD. Ang DM Soy Sauce, pasado. Safe gamitin, safe ang inyong pamilya. Magbabakasakali ka pa ba? DM Soy Sauce, ito ay safe.